This is the new DPF VDJ79. The STEINBAUER harness plugs directly onto the injector driver. There's two drivers. EDU1 has got 4 plugs on it. 1, 2, 3, 4. The STEINBAUER harness plugs onto the power supply and also the injector connector on EDU1, and on EDU2, which is generally just behind it, it just connects onto the injector harness. If there's a dual battery installed on a VDJ79, these drivers get tucked up inside the mudguard out of the way. So the easy way to tell, the number 1 driver has 4 connectors, the number 2 driver has just 3 connectors. The harness would generally run around the firewall over to a bracket on the driver's side. So we've got a couple of different options for bracket. This particular vehicle, we've installed a secondary filter kit, so the support for the filter kit bracket is replaced with the STEINBAUER module bracket. So these are included in the kit. On this particular model, we also installed some shims in the boost controller on the turbo. Up underneath the vehicle, that there is your turbo controller, and you can see there the shims. So there's two bolts that we loosen off and slide the shim in